Alright guys, I'm going to start that build on those racks for those 210s. And got some of this stuff pre-cut. And get this project going. We'll get this going. And it's best you do this outside, not inside. As much as you can do outside is best. Alright guys, got all the wood cut for the rack, for the 210s and the 20. And now we're going to do this part inside. It is like 100 degrees outside. And it's hot in Texas. So it's nice in here. It's about 70 degrees in here. It's nice and cool. I got that air conditioner cranked down. Alright, well, we'll get this going. Get these sectionals put together. And we'll build it as we go. Alright, got the 3 trays, the supporting trays that are going to attach to the legs, or vice versa, the legs will attach to these, and giving me at least 3 areas to set aquariums. Like I said, we'll have the 210s at the bottom and the 20 on top, and we'll continue. Alright, I got all of these marked where I need it. It's going to be sitting, the first bottom will be 8 inches off the floor, and then I measured 18 or 17 inches up, and then the last one will be at the very top. So you don't have to mark the top one. It's going to automatically even on the top part of the 2x4s. So we'll keep going. I got the little rack for the 210s basically almost finished. I had to move the lower section down lower. I didn't have enough room for clearance to have access to the top of the little aquariums. So, and a lot of people use them just like this and slide them on there, but I cut 3 pieces of plywood. I'm gonna put those at every level. I kind of like a flat surface. So we'll go from there. Let's try these out. Alright, much better. Now it looks like a storage container or a bookshelf or something. But it should come out good. I'm probably going to just stain it with is that polyurethane 2-in-1. Comes with the stain and the varnish. That stuff dries fast. So I think it'll look good. Alright, we'll move on. I'm going to screw these boards down and we'll look for some varnish.